this is Alex at House of Sound. I want to show you the newest and latest HID and LED lights out right now. These are the SPYDER series lights. They come with the new halo rings with the LEDs. They're all totally street legal. We have them for Dodge, Chevy, Jeep, Chrysler, GMCs, and most of the vehicles out on the road nowadays. We got them for great price, so just give us a call at 713-991-7011 and we'll give you the best deal we can. Hey guys, these are also the back tail lights for this GMC 2011 Sierra. Great add-on for your vehicles. It's all fully replacement. No hard wiring. It's all plug and play. It's got the reverse. It's got your blinkers. It's got your brake lights, and it gives you that 2014 and up look for your vehicle. We have these for all the vehicles, also for the Chevys, for the Dodge, for the GMCs, for the Jeep, for the Chryslers. Come out, give us a call, man. We'll totally take care of you on the price. We've got them in smoke, chrome, and black.